The other things we were going to talk about too, that it's popcorn ceilings, and that's something that we did when we bought our first house.
Mhm.
We had 2,100 square feet of popcorn, and if you've ever seen that before, it can be very messy.
Mhm.
We'll just kind of go through the process real quick. But first thing, if you have popcorn ceilings, we always say get it tested for asbestos. You want to be safe. We always use proper PPE when we do projects, and so we got it tested, came back negative, which was great. So we just got to work, and the process is so simple. You spray it with water. As you'll see right there, you spray it with water. You can use a paint sprayer or
And
just a
then
back
scrape it.
sprayer.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
Oh,
Let
it's a
it
that's
very
so
soak.
satisfying
cool.
project.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this is one of those things. It took us maybe two days to 3 days to do the whole house,
It's messy,
um,
but it's not too hard to do.
and it's so fun. And
Yeah,
it definitely makes a mess.
it
But
does.
we were fortunate enough. We were taking our carpets out the next day, so we just did it right on top of our carpets,
Roll the
rolled them out
carpets
with
out.
it,
Yep.
and put in new flooring.